Welcome back. This is Chili Davis, and I'm back to do another video. I want to welcome back all my subscribers and welcome to my new viewers. Thank you for taking the time to stop by my channel. If you're new, please click the subscribe button because I will have great content for you moving forward. So this channel, we talk about my top stocks. We also talk about crypto. We also talk about other wealth strategies. But today we're going to talk about my top stocks. And just to give some context where we're at, Dow rises for a second day, 250 points. But the weekless jobless claims totaling 351,000, worse than expected. So here's the thing. Yesterday, Fed Powell came out. The Federal Reserve guy, Powell, said they're not going to raise interest rates. So that's terrific for the stock market. And over the last 2 months, they said there's basically 10 million people unemployed and there's 8 million jobs available. So somewhere something's getting lost in the sauce, where there's jobs available, but people aren't taking them. And it's kind of funny because about a year ago, we actually had a situation with Amazon and Target and Walmart all saying they were going to raise wages. Well, guess what? They still haven't raised them up enough in some situations. So when big corporations do something funny, just realize there's something else going on, because people still are employed. And I would guess that some of these 10 million jobs are jobs that nobody wants to work. So there it is. Jobs claims are still up, even though there's over 8 million jobs, quote, jobs available. So I don't know where we're going with that, but there we are. All right, so let's get to the top stocks. Top stocks today, and this is market's only been open for about 8 minutes here. Let's take a look around. Nucor, ticker symbol NUE, or Nucor, is up 2.22%. And my classic favorite, Upstart, UPST, is up actually it's up 3% now. So stocks are climbing again based off of Fed Powell. He basically said they're not going to raise interest rates. There may be some tapering soon in terms of what they're buying, bonds and etc. But as far as raising interest rates, no. So we're still on the path. So anyway, like I said, my top stock this morning is ticker symbol UPST, up 3% early in trading. Again, the market's only been open for 5 minutes here, so not a whole lot to talk about there. The Revolve Group RVLV is up 1.19% on the day. So that is great. Let's see what else is trending. Salesforce raises full year revenue outlook. So look at that. CRM, Salesforce is up 4% on the day. So that is great news. Reuters reports Salesforce raises full year revenue outlook. That is company is ran by Mark Benioff, the CEO of Salesforce, doing a tremendous, great job. I would say about 30% of major corporations use Salesforce in some factor, some product or service. So it's a great product to have, Salesforce. All right. Tesla is also up 0.43%. Says Samsung talks with Tesla to make new next generation self-driving chips. So wow, right now Tesla does a lot of chips with NVIDIA, and it sounds like they're in talks with Samsung. So Samsung, now here in this country, a lot of people don't know Samsung, or they may know as their TV or their phone provider. But Samsung in Korea is actually a huge mega deal. It's a big deal. It's a major company. They do everything in their country, but not here in the U.S. This guy used to work for a company. We did some consulting, and basically that was one of our major partners, Samsung. And yeah, they're the real big deal in their country, Samsung. So anyway, let's move on. Toast is up 1.58%. This is a new IPO stock. It just went on the market yesterday, and it is up on the day. Same as Freshworks. Freshworks is up 2.59% on the day. This is another new stock on the exchange as well. So these two No, you know, they probably opened at, okay, Freshworks open at 40 something and Toast open up at 60 something. Let's see what they can do over the next 6 months. We'll actually give them 3 months. Quarterly earnings should be reporting soon. What else is going on here? Market day Fed hawkish on shift. Google suing India on antitrust watchdog for investigations. Interesting. And then BlackBerry, Lucid, Alibaba, Smile Direct Club, and more stocks buzzing on Wall Street today. All right, so let's get over to my top stocks of the morning. Let's see, we have, as that article mentioned, BlackBerry, BB, ticker symbol BB, is up 7.32%. So it's a very small cap stock. I'm not taking a huge interest in it at all. Next ticker symbol we have is AMC. AMC Entertainment Holdings is up 3.17%. Next ticker symbol we have is EMAN, or Imagine Corporation, up 2.58%. All right, and then let's get down to the good stuff. We got CLF. CLF is climbing back today. It's been down for a few weeks, but it's climbing back. Remember, it is still part of the Biden infrastructure deal. They do iron pellets. So they were up today 2.4%. United Steel is up 2.14%. And let's see what else we got here. Palantir, ticker symbol PLTR, is up 1.20%. And remember, they have contracts with the government, and they've gotten other civilian commercial contracts of recently. We've been following the stock since it's been about $20 a share. It looks like it's in its second leg, like it can get to those 30s, mid 30s, maybe possibly. So that is Palantir Technologies. Let's see. Ford is up this morning. Let's see. Ford is up almost 1%. And remember, Ford has the electric vehicle coming. Of course, they still have the issue with delay in production of some trucks due to the chip shortage. So keep your eye out on Ford. Ford may be making a run. As soon as they get that chip situation resolved, I could see the stock hitting $20 per share. All right, so those are my top stocks of the day. BlackBerry being the lead, AMC in a second place. And in my Robinhood count, we've got Revolve Group being up 1%, and UPST, or Upstart Holdings, the AI lending platform, up 2.2% on the morning. And remember, it's only 9:45, so whole market can change by lunchtime or later. All right, thank you and have a great day.